morning, year one. Now today we're going to be looking at what makes a good postcard. So we're going to be looking back at some of the features that we looked at last week, but we're going to be thinking about why they're so important. So have a little look at this postcard here and see if you can spot all of the different features. I'll read it for you. Hi Leah, I've arrived in Tokyo, Japan. Are you jealous? There is so much to do here. The city is so busy. You would find it so exciting. Yesterday, we went up to the top of the Tokyo Tower. The view of the city was amazing and you could see twinkling lights for miles. Tomorrow, we are going to visit the Rainbow Bridge and then go to the Imperial Palace. I can't wait. Miss you, Marnie. I'm sending it to Leah Sumner, 1 Zip Drive, Rishton, Lancashire, BB5 8GR. Now just pause the video here and see if you can spot all of the different features of the postcard. See if you can remember them from last week. Okay, let's see if you've spotted them all. So think about what's behind this blue circle here. Hi Leah. So can you remember what this part of the postcard is called? It's called the greeting. Let's see what's behind these yellow circles. Are you jealous? Now that is a question. I'm asking a question, aren't I? See what's behind the red one. It's a stamp. Well done if you got that one right. Let's see what's behind the purple. It's the address. And behind the green, we've got the sign off. So all of these things are really important to have in your postcard. Now, why are these things important? Think about what would happen if we didn't have them. Would it still be a postcard? Pause the video here and have a chat with your grown-up. Okay, so let's look at the first feature and talk about why it's important. A greeting. So greetings are where we say who we are writing the postcard to. If we didn't have a greeting, the person we sent it to wouldn't know if it was for them or not. So we've got Dear Mum and Dad, we've got Hi Emily, we've got To Nana. There's lots of different ways you can write a greeting. Next one, a question. Now the reason that we ask questions in our postcards isn't because we want an answer, because we know they're not writing back to us. It's just more of a wondering. We might be wondering this question, but if we include that question, it makes the postcard seem a little bit more like we're having a conversation with them. So we might ask how the weather is at home. We might ask if they miss us. Lots of different things you could ask. Okay, next one, the address. Now, an address is the place where we want to send the postcard. If we didn't write the address, then it'd never get to the person that we want to give it to, because the postman wouldn't know where to go. A stamp. Now, a stamp is so important because if we don't use a stamp, then it won't get to the person that we're going to. It's a little bit like having to put the address down. It helps the postman send it to the person that we're giving it to. It shows that we've paid the postage service as well. Now, stamps look different all around the world. You can have a look through these ones and guess where they're from. And we've got the sign-off. Now, a sign-off is where you write your name after you've finished writing your postcard. This is important because it lets the reader know who has sent it. Imagine receiving a postcard and not knowing who it was from. It'd be a bit confusing, wouldn't it? And finally, we've got the main body of text. Now, the main body of text is just your main bit of writing, really. It's just where you let your reader know what you've been up to on holiday. If you didn't write it, then it wouldn't really be a postcard. So, for example, we might write, I am having so much fun here in Mexico. I have been eating so many tasty tacos and I tried some delicious nachos yesterday. Tomorrow I'm going to the beach and I'm so excited to swim in the warm blue sea. So that there is some information for your reader. Now today I want you to see if you can remember everything that we've talked about today. I want you to write down your answers on this worksheet and talk about why each feature of a postcard is so important. Why do we need it? Okay? So really looking forward to seeing all of your answers. Bye!